sex for us was good. It was really good, but we weren't doing it as much, right? So it was like you have the kids, you're hitting middle age, and you're just kind of like, well, you want to, how bad is it when you're scheduling? Okay, you've got Tuesday at 3 o'clock, Tuesday at 3. I can do 3 till 3:16. Perfect. And you pencil in your sex. I will tell you this, I don't want to get graphic, but you get on hormone replacement, and man, oh man, it is, it's on, and you want it, and you want your wife. Because my wife asked a legitimate question: do we want a 25-year-old Tony Vanetti running around Louisville? And I thought the same thing. I was like, man, am I going to go back to my goofy days?
Right.
I was not. I was in love with her. I'm in love with her. So it was like,
Just brought you closer.
Yes, right. You might see other stuff that gets you going, but you want your wife. It's not exactly going to be a 20-year-old mentally. You're older and you're wiser. The sex in the bedroom, it went so well for me. My wife got on board. She was just like, "Oh my gosh, are you kidding me?" Because I was like, again, I gotta again.
Right.
And she was like, "Oh, okay, maybe I should try this." So she got on the program, and it is like night and day.